And the most important one, Cucurella versus Yamal. Yamal career has ended. I've been calling for this, and luckily it happened. Yamal, the world will see how you are a scam. The world will see how you are overrated. Cucurella is going to end your career this season. Guys, wait and see. Save this video down. I'm telling you that Cucurella is going to end Yamal career. Chelsea Barcelona. Chelsea Barcelona. We are winning this game all day. This game, I will not even think twice who will win this game. Chelsea, we are beating Barcelona, whether they like it or not. We are going to beat them. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Rich Man. In fact, guys, let's say a big thank you to the God of football. Let's say a big thank you once again to the God of football. The God of football has done it again. The God of football has done it for Chelsea. Guys, we've been crying since we qualified for this Champions League. Chelsea fans, we've been crying. We want Barcelona, we want Bayern Munich now in our front. Now on our table. But the only team that I wish we have was PSG. But unfortunately, PSG is not part of our group, our Champions League group. By the way, we already gave it to them, so no worries. By the way, guys, Chelsea will play Barcelona next season or this season UEFA Champions League. At the same time, play Bayern Munich. And I see, especially Bayern Munich, the way they misbehave, the way they try Chelsea this season. I want Chelsea to show them pepper in the UEFA Champions League. Look at the way they came and did all the rumors trying to sign Christopher Nkunku Chifi, trying recently they are on Nicola Jackson. In fact, they didn't make anything simple for us this season. When it comes to the transfer window, Bayern Munich, yes, they came trying to just use us, try to get simple teams, try to get cheap players from us. At the end, AC Milan came and saved us. By the way, guys, after this video, another video is coming about just latest transfers. As we are speaking now, we were wishing for Newcastle to come for Nicola Jackson, and now Newcastle signed a player. So another transfer video is coming. So please stay on Football Lion, turn on your notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Guys, let's come and look at our Champions League opponent we are going to play. Chelsea. Yes, third year in the new era. Now we qualify for the Champions League. The new Champions League under the new ownership. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start with other teams. I mean the Port 1 teams. When the drawing came, Chelsea were in Port 1. So let's look at the other teams before we come and end with our Chelsea. Yes, the teams they are going to play against and our predictions. Maybe who will beat who. The Port 1 was Paris Saint-Germain. Yes, the defending champions, the current Champions League holders. Paris, they are going to play Bayern Munich home. And after that, they play Barcelona. In fact, Paris Saint-Germain versus Barcelona. I can't wait. This game will be a game of the day. A game of the UEFA Champions League. Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain. Yes. Big game, of course. So they are going to play Bayern Munich. After that, they play Barcelona. That game, Charlie, it will be tight game. It will be tight. I can't wait to watch this game. And Bayern Munich also, I think, okay, they already play. Last season, Bayern Munich and PSG. No, they didn't play. No. So that game also will be tight. I can't wait to watch that also. But that game, I would say maybe PSG can beat Bayern because this Bayern Munich team, they are not living by the name. It isn't that they are just the Bayern Munich we used to know. And Paris Saint-Germain versus Atalanta. Okay, for Atalanta, they will beat them. Paris versus Leverkusen away. Leverkusen, now the team is weak. Yes. Their manager went to Madrid, so it will be difficult. The Super Cup final repeated again. PSG versus Tottenham. Yes, this time around I will support Tottenham. Yes, I want Spurs to beat them. My London brothers, my London neighbors. Yes. So by the way, as we know, PSG is so high up there. Yes, they can beat Tottenham. And Sporting versus PSG. Okay, PSG. Newcastle versus PSG, another match. Hey, I can't wait to watch this game also. Newcastle PSG home, and PSG ATM Atlantic Bilbao. Oh, they will beat them. Yes, Inaka Williams and Nico Williams team. Yes, our Ghanaian brothers. And Real Madrid, Man City. Wow, 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 wow. Another big game coming. Real Madrid, Man City. What you see? This season Champions League will be, because Chelsea is there. If Chelsea were not to be in this season Champions League, it will not be suited. Look at last season, especially the group stages. Nobody was talking about Champions League football until the quarterfinal, the semi-final. So for this season, the Chelsea is there. The group stage, yes, the sweetness, the entertainment will start from the group stage as far as we are there. So Man City, Real Madrid versus Man City home, Real Madrid versus Liverpool. Oh, Real Madrid, they got a tough group versus Man City versus Liverpool. I don't want Real Madrid to beat all these English teams. It will look like English teams were weak. So at least draw with one team or beat them. So Real Madrid, Man City, maybe all of them, when you are looking at them, Real Madrid, City, they all have the same problem currently. Defense problems. So let's see who will win. Problems upon problems. And Real Madrid, Juventus. Wow. I think Real Madrid will win. Real Madrid, Benfica. Real Madrid will win. Real Madrid versus Olympique Marseille. Real Madrid versus Olympique Marseille. Madrid will win. Real Madrid versus Olympiacos. Madrid will win. Madrid versus Monaco. Madrid will win. And this team, what is their name? Real Madrid KAI. Madrid will beat them. And let's come to Man City versus Dortmund. Okay, City will win. Man City versus Real Madrid, as I said, I want City to win. Real Madrid, Man City versus Bayer Leverkusen. Man City will win. Man City versus Villarreal. Okay, City will win. Man City versus Napoli. City will win. Man City versus Bordeaux. This team, this is their first time in their history they qualify for the UEFA Champions League. Yes, and City is going to play them. Their capacity, their stadium capacity is 8,000 plus. Yes, Aliou Mama Sports Stadium is bigger than their stadium capacity. Yes, by the way, they are in Europe, so they are going to play Champions League. Where my RTU are playing, their stadium, our stadium RTU is bigger than this team, but we are wishing them all the best. Galatasaray, Man City, okay, City will win, and Galatasaray, Monaco. Bayern Munich versus Chelsea. Bayern Munich versus Chelsea. We'll show them pepper. Wow, I can't wait to watch this game. So Chelsea will win, of course. We are beating them, yes. We'll come to Chelsea, our table, or our line. So Bayern Munich versus PSG. Okay, another big game. As I said, Bayern Munich versus Club de Brugge. Yes, that game will also be for Bayern Munich. And Bayern Munich versus Arsenal. Wow, I think they play. Okay, they played during last season quarterfinal, and Arsenal won. Yes, so that game will repeat again. Bayern Munich versus Sporting. Okay, Munich will win. And Bayern Munich versus PSV. Munich will win. And Bayern Munich versus USG. I don't know their name. Liverpool versus Real Madrid. What a wow. Big game coming. I think Madrid or Liverpool, any of them can win this match. Liverpool versus Inter. Liverpool will win. Liverpool versus ATM Atlético Madrid. That will be another tough match. I want Liverpool to win or Atlético Madrid to beat them. Liverpool versus Frankfurt. Okay, Liverpool will win. Liverpool versus PSV. Liverpool will win. Liverpool versus Marseille. Okay, Liverpool will win. And Liverpool versus QAR. I don't know their name. Liverpool versus Galatasaray. Liverpool will win. Inter Milan versus Liverpool. Another tough game. I see Liverpool winning this game. Inter versus Borussia Dortmund. Okay, Inter may win or Dortmund can also win this game. And Inter versus Arsenal. Wow. Inter versus Arsenal. Okay, that will be a big game. I want them to beat Arsenal. Yes. And Inter versus Atlético Madrid. Another big game. Maybe Atlético Madrid can win this game. Inter versus SLA. I don't know their name. This team, they are from far from Europe. And Inter versus AJX. I don't know their name. Inter group is so simple. With some new teams, Inter get easy group. Inter versus KAI. Inter versus USG. Our Chelsea land. Let's keep it aside. We'll end with Chelsea. Borussia Dortmund versus Inter Milan. Another big game. Dortmund versus Man City. Wow, City will win. Dortmund versus Villarreal. Another big game for. Maybe this game Dortmund can win and Villarreal can also win. Dortmund versus Juventus. This game, okay, Juve and Dortmund almost the same level now. Dortmund versus Bordeaux. Okay, Dortmund will win. Dortmund versus Spurs. Okay. Spurs can win this game or Dortmund can beat them. But big Spurs for me, Dortmund. Dortmund versus Atlantic Bilbao and Dortmund versus Copenhagen. This Copenhagen team, it reminds me of something. I got to know them that year when they beat United, Copenhagen. You remember under Ten Hag. So for them, I know them better. Yes, because any team playing against Manchester United, I'm supporting that team. And Barcelona versus PSG. Barcelona group is so tough. They are going to play PSG and they are going to play Chelsea, and we are beating them. Barcelona versus PSG. Wow. Barcelona. Okay, that game will be a tough game. But okay, PSG, I beat them. Okay, they over-complain. After the game, they were trying to beat my players. So I will not support them. Barcelona, I will not support Barcelona. So this game, whoever win, they should play draw. And Barcelona versus Chelsea, of course, we are coming to Chelsea. Barcelona versus Frankfurt. I think Barcelona win. Barcelona versus Club de Brugge. Barcelona. Apart from Chelsea and PSG in Barcelona group, it's so simple for them. You see, Barcelona versus Olympiacos and Barcelona versus SLA. I don't know their name. Barcelona versus Copenhagen and Barcelona versus Newcastle. What a wow. So far, what I'm going to say about this draw, it look nice. Yes. Some games or more competitive games are there in the group stages. I think this is the second season of this new format. So now, football fans, we understood it better. Last season, it confused some of us. I won't lie. Last season, the format, for me, I was thinking it will be home and away. Yes, the 8 games, not knowing that it is home or away. If you play someone away, that is all. You are not going to play him, you're home. If you play someone, you're home. You are not going to play him away. So this game is one round. If they just beat you in the group stage, that is all. Maybe in the future, if you qualify to round of 16 or quarterfinal, maybe you can meet at that place. But there's no home and away. So let's come to our Chelsea. Our Chelsea, yes, the team that is going to win the Champions League 2025 to 2026 UEFA Champions League. And Chelsea, our line or our table, our group, Chelsea, Barcelona, it will be home, our home. It means that our home. So Barcelona will come to Stamford Bridge and collect the Woto. This game, it will be very intense. See, the world will be watching. Barcelona or Chelsea, Barcelona, the world will be watching. I'm telling you, that game will be intense. Everybody will like to watch this game. And as you know how we are doing in Chelsea. When we come to Barcelona, Charlie, for Chelsea and Barcelona will just give the possession to them. Play, do your passing, do everything. But Charlie, don't try to score. Don't try. Tosin is there. Chalobah is there. Liverpool is there. Don't try. Reece James is there. And the most important one, Cucurella versus Yamal. Yamal career has ended. I've been calling for this. And luckily, it happened. Yamal, the world will see how you are a scam. The world will see how you are overrated. Cucurella is going to end your career this season. Guys, wait and see. Save this video down. I'm telling you that Cucurella is going to end Yamal career. Chelsea, Barcelona. We are winning this game all day. This game, I will not even think twice. We will win this game. Chelsea, we are beating Barcelona, whether they like it or not. We are going to beat them. Guys, Chelsea versus Barcelona. Chelsea, Bayern Munich, of course. For Munich, I will not talk a lot. We will beat them. Yes, they know how we are doing it. For them, they are stadium, Allianz Arena, they are stadium, they are football, they are fans, they are everything. They are present on top. We will beat them. And won even Champions League night final. So Chelsea, for Bayern Munich, they know us better. Chelsea, Benfica, they are a good opponent. They always make it difficult against Chelsea. But this is Chelsea. This is different Chelsea. We are beating them. Chelsea, Atlanta. Okay, Atlanta will also make it difficult, but we'll beat them. Chelsea versus Ajax. Yes, from Netherlands. Okay, that is Ajax. Okay. I'm not seeing the flag very well here, guys. That is why. And they abbreviate it. Chelsea versus Ajax. Okay, that is Ajax. Yes, Ajax, they are a good team, but Charlie, if we can beat big teams in the Premier League, big team in the Club World Cup, who is Ajax, we are beating them. Chelsea, Napoli, it will be a difficult game, but of course, we are beating them. And Chelsea, PAF, this team, I think, from the last spot, yes, spot 4. Okay, we are good to go. We just use our academy and beat them. Chelsea versus KAR. Wow. All these two teams, the last two teams, for that one, 6 points, of course. But Chelsea versus Barcelona and Chelsea versus Bayern Munich, it will be a game to watch. Yes, everybody, not only Chelsea fans, around the world, even United fans who are not playing Champions League this season, they would like to watch that game. By the way, guys, we are wishing Chelsea all the best. Barcelona, to be real and to be honest here, Barcelona, they are a good team. Bayern Munich, they are a good team. There is a reason why they are here. Champions League football. This is another level. And when you look at some of our players, they never play at this level. Our young players. And all those things considered. And Enzo Maresca as a manager, him starting managerial role, official and professional, he never managed Champions League team. Or he never played in a Champions League football. Champions League night. But so far, what we saw from Enzo Maresca tactics, the way he always read his opponent, I think he will do better. But the way, everything will come from the players because we are the world champion. The world will be watching to see how we will go down. So as world champion, players playing knowing that you are the world champion. If you go onto the pitch, give your all, give your best. So Barcelona will be a tough opponent. To be honest and to be real, we can beat Barcelona. They can also beat us. I'm not underrating Barcelona just for fun. But if we don't take them serious and underrate them, Charlie, we saw them against Inter. Even last season, Champions League, Barcelona, they were scoring goals for fun. When it comes to goals, Barcelona, they can score the goals. So on that day, our play, they have to stand up. They shouldn't even play the game for Enzo Maresca. They should play it for their families, they themselves and the fans. They shouldn't play it for Enzo Maresca. They should go and beat Barcelona for us. If not that, Charlie, this season, Barcelona, if they beat Chelsea, then nice. Not only, see, it will not be Barcelona against Chelsea. It will be the world against Chelsea. Not Barcelona against Chelsea. The world against Chelsea. So, our players, they have, see, from today onwards, they should start preparing for this game. Let's hope. Getting to that time, everybody will be available. All our best players, Estival and Koja, Pedro, Liam Dila, yes, everybody will be available. Or Nicola Jackson. So, guys, let me hear from you in the comment section your opinion, your thought, and your prediction. And what is your opinion about this, our draw? Do you think we have a favorable draw? Can we qualify from this? Yes, team that we are going to play. Can we beat all of them? Let me hear from you in the comment section. By the way, Chelsea received award during the drawing, yes, for being the first club to win all the UEFA trophies. Yes, Chelsea received award, another trophy. Congratulations to Chelsea once again for winning another trophy, for being the first club to win all the UEFA major trophies. Yes, so guys, that is the latest information, and another video is coming about Chelsea latest transfer, as I said. So stay on Football Lions, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Take care, peace.